Now we turn to the latest in the aftermath of Hurricane Helene. The storm surge has been catastrophic, stranding residents and destroying homes in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, and Tennessee. Hurricane Helene now ranks among the deadliest storms to hit the U.S. in modern history. More than 130 people have been killed. While surveying storm damage in Georgia, former President Trump falsely claimed officials there had a hard time getting President Biden on the phone.
Let me get this straight. He's lying. And the governor told him he was lying.
He just said, hey, what do you need? And I told him, you know, we got what we need. We'll work through the federal process. He offered that if there's other things we need, just to call him directly, which I appreciate that.
President Biden says he plans to visit the region tomorrow. Rebuilding is expected to take months.